Hey guys, Livia here. I've got some super good news. This week is BOGO week at doTERRA. So see all these things here, you buy one, you get one free or two free in various different cases. So you'll see here, you'll get Immortelle free. Buy Immortelle, you get tightening serum and brightening gel. Buy Neroli, get Davana. Buy Island Mint, you get citrus bloom and sunny citrus. Buy Beautiful, you get Frankincense free. Buy Deep Blue, get Deep Blue stick free. Buy MetaPWR, get another MetaPWR. So cool. So when you get to doTERRA, there's a link. I put it in the comments below, top first pinned comment and in the description, where you'll be able to get these for yourself. And if you use that link and you order at least 150 PV, counting these cool BOGOs, you'll actually get a free diffuser, a free membership, and 25% off everything for a year, as well as we'll get a one-on-one call, me and you, and we'll be able to make a customized plan for your life and your family of what works for you. So when you get here, you'll go to shop and click on BOGO offers, and then all of them will be right here. If you're curious what they do, what the options are available, up here in the little banner, it said BOGO's here. Click on details and it will tell you which ones you get for what you're buying. So you buy this one, and then these ones will automatically be added to your cart, which is super cool. And you can buy I think there's up to 2 or 3, depending on which one it is. So like you could say, I'm going to click on Beautiful. When you open it, it will tell you all about the blend. It tells you exactly what it does. It's uplifting, it's energizing, it's personal aroma. It works great as like a perfume, different things you need to be aware of. You can see all of the different things there. And if we go back here, MetaPWR one I highly recommend everyone get here. It talks about MetaPWR, it talks about collagen and how it helps your cells so that you can be younger longer, helps metabolic activity, and it helps your joints and everything to move so you can keep up with your kids and your grandkids all along the way. So there's a bunch of different details here, all the specific things on there about the MetaPWR. I'll put another link in the comments as well. There I have some of my favorite videos and things that explain some more about MetaPWR as well, besides just this. But it is amazing. I really hope that you guys hop in and grab yourself some BOGOs. I just got mine and I'm really excited for them to come because it's some of my favorite products. These 3 right here are my favorites that I did get. Tempted to get that one, but I didn't. And then I got an extra $70 back in free doTERRA products. So I encourage you to get your own membership. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to talking to you soon.